Okay, so welcome back. So let's topic about system software. Okay, so what is a software? So a software is the logical part of your system or your computer system. So it is where the instructions came. This is where the code, the program. So this is the software. So kung unsa yung makita karon kani, for example, this is the browser, it is also a software. Anything na dili inyo magunitan, dili ninyo na ma it's intangible things that is the software. So syempre, ang counterpart na is katong inyong magunitan that is the software. For example, monitor. A monitor is pag inyo magunitan, una siya ang the hardware. Pero once na mga PDF, that is the software. So it means the software is the one who is nagapadagan sa isa ka hardware. So we distinguish that software into two parts. Okay. So first is the system software kani. Okay, so the system software. So this is system software. So a system software is a software that runs throughout your computer. Or let's say, um, kanina software kay mo ni siyang soul and mind sa imong computer. Without this system software, so it's just like your computer is an empty box. So ana siya. So what is the example of a system software? So the best example is the operating system. So the operating system is the one who is responsible for running your computer. So that is the system software. So application software is um, the one who is a software that runs inside of a system software. So tanang software na nag-run sulod sa mga operating system mo siya ang mga application software. So let's go deeper with that. So here is the parts of the software. So we distinguish two software with two in the system application and the application software. So what is the system application? There are three types. As what I have said, there is an operating system, there is the language processor, the utility software, and on the other part, there is an application software, general purpose application software, and the specific purpose application software. Okay, so let's go. So what is the system software? Okay, so we discuss about what is the system software. Okay, so a system software, okay, wala na siyang para mas visualize niyo asa ko point. So a system software is the software on a computer that is designed to control and work with a computer hardware. That's what I have said. This is the algorithm kung asang algorithm sa inyong computer. So kay namadiri ang inyong algorithm, so nadiri ang inyong mura siya mind, mura siya brain sa inyong computer. So dili mismo kay the brain of the computer is CPU. Tama, right? Pero dili siya literal na CPU mismo ang brain. Ang ginamin dito nga no brain siya is because kung unsa ang capable sa CPU na mahimo niya sa inyong system. Dili mismo ang katong gamay na box ang CPU dili mismo ang katong gamay na box ang salarin nga nang gitawag siya CPU kung unsa ang iyang mahimo sa inyong system mo to siyang the brain of the computer is because naati ka tanang algorithm naati ka tanang condition naati ka tanang so ang mo na yun sa computer hardware is just to support para kung like it's like a container lang. Sudlanan lang siya. Okay? So okay, so body like a hardware and your uh your and your and your software is your brain. So this type of computer software allow environment or platform for other software and applications to work in this is why system software is important in managing the whole computer system. Okay. So what I said, this is the system software. So balik ko na to eh. So let's skip with the operating system. So let's go with the types of system software. First, so I said, first the operating software system. So what is the operating system? OS. So OS are complex pieces of software. So often requiring many years and many people to develop them. So what are the some basic functions of an operating system? Okay, first, it provides an environment sa inyong computer system ninyo. So for example, what is the environment? It depends. Like for example, this one, like this one, like that. This one. This is the environment. It's like a feel and ambience sa inyong computer. Kung gusto mo marag tiki-tiki guys, pwede mo gamit ani. Okay. Before operating system is a GUI. I mean CLI. Operating system is a CLI before. What is a CLI? CLI means command line interface. CLI. So wala pa na uso ng mga folder, wala pa na uso ng mga mouse, wala pa na uso ng mga kung unsa nyo makit-an karon di ari sa kung unsa nyo makit-an karon di ari sa screen. This is a GUI. Kung unsa nyo makit-an na design kani. But before wala pa GUI, graphic user interface. Puro CLI pa na siya. So if you want to go to other user and if you want to list what are the drivers like this one. So nga na siya, so mag-copy ka, so copy, path, so go destination, so it's all really typing. So tanang command yun siya. So unlike GUI is you have to copy and paste or drag and drop. So this is beautiful of the GUI. It makes the user much more efficient. So yan siya. So that is the environment. Next is acts as resource manager. So a computer system must manage resources as CPU time, memory space, and I/O. So as what is so in your operating system, you'll talk about memory. So like kung magpadagan mo og Google Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, and Opera, Safari browser. Okay. So if adakan yun nasabay, ang may tabana is the CPU, okay, the operating system will allocate all the remaining resources, okay, divide niya sa tanan nag-run sa inyong computer. Yan na siya. So that's why pag gamay mo gram, syempre, mas gamay, mas tako chances na mag-hang. Kay dili ani ma-allocate ang uban resources, so magpending atong uban na nag-wait for the resources. So that's why kung gamay mong RAM o dili kung minimum requirements nito mo, dili din niyo makaya mga high-end na mga application like Photoshop, like After Effects, like AutoCAD. pag mag-render og mga images o mga video, dili makakaya mga gamay na RAM o gamay na mga processor. Ano man? Because it require a process time, it requires a great memory para maka-render. So that is the operating system. So ang OS ang nag-allocate na ang operating system ang nag-manage sa mga memory resources. Memory resources. Okay? Next, operating system is it teaches you to create and manage file. So now may documents, pictures, list of all your pictures, selfies, or even crashes. So folder, so you can manage and you can develop pwede nyo makitaan inyong mga file, images, videos, sounds, music. So the operating system helps you to do that. Okay, so that is the operating system. Now, what is the language language processor? So language processors is a software created by writing programs in computer languages. So there are many computer languages such as C, C++, and C#. Okay, this is in terms of the programming. So programming language. What is a programming language? What is language you are using with your programming? English, sir. No. So there are kind of a programming. So in your CC102, the program na inyong gamiton is C++. Okay, so C++. The native na programming, now, duol jud mismo sa computer language is the assembly language. This assembly language is the low-level language. Okay, that is the low-level language. That is the assembly language. It means that ang iyang syntax is nag-use siya og mga binary memory instead of high-level language when mo type lang ka og so siya sa so for example sa high level mo type lang ka og print hello or sa inyong C++ say out hello. Okay, this is for the high level language. So it means using this kind of syntax, you are instructing the computer to print the hello. This one. But in the assembly language, okay, you have to get the available memory first, like for example, 2, 3, 4, P, then you have to set some again, equals to 3, P. Okay, inyo mag-access ang mga computer memory natin. Once na ma-access ng computer memory, inyo karon i-assign na, okay, inyo karon na, hinahina yung inyo na, okay, computer, mo siyang i-print ang hello. So, yan na siya kalisod sa assembly. So, let's go forward. So, next is the utility. Here. Okay, so what is the utility? Okay. Utility software is designed for maintenance or cleaning sa inyong computer, to maintain the process, maintain its productivity sa inyong computer, or to maintain the memory space. So there is a utility software. So there are kind of utility software. So first is disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is a software a software that helps you to maintain junk file. Yung mga dili niyo magamit ng mga file. Corrupt registry, corrupt DLL, unused DLL types. So, nga siya. That is the utility software. Now, next is the antivirus software. So what is antivirus? So what is an antivirus is a software to help you kill, to eliminate viruses, or to help you eliminate worms, Trojan, like any malicious content or any malicious software to have. So that is the antivirus software. So komplementan sa antivirus software. Okay, so next is the application software. This is the utility. Okay, so the next topic is about application software. Okay, stop.